Yes.
Hello friends, I'm Rebecca and this is Vice. Welcome. Today we are making something really fun in the kitchen that you can't eat. We're gonna make bath bombs. One of the reasons I'm doing this is because someone had asked me about a recipe for bath bombs. Well, these are fun. You can use cookie cutters and make these adorable little treats, and they smell good and they feel good and they're nice little gifts. And I'm gonna show you how to make them right now, and you can do them with your kids and you can put your Christmas carols on and just have fun. Okay, first thing you need is a cup of baking soda. A cup of baking soda, just 1 cup. Okay, put that in. Get it all in. Just your traditional baking soda that you could also use in the tub. Half a cup of citric acid. Go ahead, pour that in. Then we're going to use a half a cup of cornstarch. Put it in there. That's a half a cup of cornstarch. You're going to put it right in your bowl, right in there. Half a cup of cornstarch. Put it in. Okay, good. Then we're going to use a half a cup of Epsom salt. Epsom salt is really good for the muscles. It helps you to decompress. It feels so good in the body. It's soothing. It's great for the skin. All of these ingredients, I will put links below, but you can definitely find them pretty much anywhere. Then 5 drops of orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A tablespoon of lavender and 5 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 drops of eucalyptus. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 tablespoons of castor oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Pink.
This one and this one's pink. They're made, so different, but they're all derived from nature. So no artificial food coloring.
Yeah, well.
Especially if you're gonna put these in your body, like you're gonna get in the bath with these. We don't wanna use anything with dyes in it. So you wanna do like 4 tablespoons of this. So you're gonna, 4 tablespoons of water, and you mix it in with I did blue and pink, and you can do as much as you want. So if you want like a lighter purple, or if you want a darker purple, depending upon how much.
You're making it.
Okay, so we got these little, they were $1 for about 5 or 6 ornaments at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Really cute. Little gingerbread, a snow person, a bell, a star, a snowflake, and a candy cane. Super cute. So we're gonna just slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet. Nice and slowly. So, okay, God bless you. You don't want it to activate. Okay. Yeah, see it's turning to purple. We're just going to add a little. You don't want it to turn into a bath bomb now, right? Isn't that pretty? Good. That's good. Stop.
It's turning into slime.
Okay.
Is it activating?
Not yet. No, we're good so far. First, you have to get it all together so it's all clumpy. And then we're going to fill these molds with it. So you push it down like this. You got to get it all solid. And then we're going to push our mold into there and move this away. So we made just about 8 of these. You might be able to squeeze 9. You know, the candy canes are smaller, so you could probably do more of these, but we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 if you did smaller ones then. But they are lovely if you take them out of the molds, but I like keeping them in the...
We're gonna have one.
Yeah, we're gonna try one too. But it's nice because if you want to, you can do them out of the molds, but I think it's easier. We're gonna give these as some gifts, so we're gonna wrap them, and then you have the mold as a gift, and it's easier to wrap, and then they get the cookie cutter too, if they want to use it, right?
Yeah, and then if they want, they can send it back.
And get another one?
Yeah. Yes.
We used a toothpick to get any extras off the edges and make them look all nice and pretty. Then we put them in these little bags and tied them with ribbon. They looked really cute, and I used my label maker. I have a Dymo label maker that I love. I use for everything. And I put the name of the bath bomb, and then I put the ingredients and that it was from us. I think these are cute for any time of the year. You could do them for the holiday season, Christmas, or even Valentine's Day. I think they're fun for, anytime someone needs a little R&R and TLC. There it goes. Oh, cool. It's staying over there, Val. Can you see it? Very cool. It's working. We did it. 1 teaspoon of lavender. Okay, go ahead, stir it all up. Okay, 5 drops of orange citrus. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Work?
Good.
Good.
Next one?
In a second. Let's do 2 teaspoons peppermint oil. 2 teaspoons. Okay. 2 teaspoons of eucalyptus. Go ahead. And another one. 5 drops of rosemary oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 drops of rosemary. Okay, 5 drops of cedar wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops cedar wood. A teaspoon of peppermint. 2 teaspoons of eucalyptus. Go ahead. And another one. 10 drops of sweet orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 teaspoon of lavender. Okay, go ahead, stir it all up. Okay, so now we're gonna do a green, and we're gonna use the food coloring. Again, you can use different kinds, but these are all from nature. These are great. So we're gonna mix yellow and blue together. What color does that make? Yellow and blue make
Green.
yes, green, exactly. This is yellow. We just mixed like a 1/3 cup water with the food coloring.
Oh yeah.
And I like this one from McCormick. It's nice because they come in little baggies, so that you can put it back away. And it should be a nice green like eucalyptus color.
Wow. Green like a leprechaun.
Like a leprechaun?
Yeah.
So the essential oils, we're going to do 10 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of lemon. 5 drops of chamomile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's nice and soothing. Tea tree. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lemongrass 5. 1, 2, 3. Is it coming out? 4, 5. 5 lemongrass. 10 drops of sweet orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 drops of jasmine.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
Get on it.
Okay. There we go. Now it's starting to turn orangey. Then I put the little bath bombs in this little plastic container that I grabbed at the dollar store. It looked cute. Anyway, have fun. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy.